Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can find out some useful details regarding our users through the analytics account. So there can be a lot of scenarios when user starts visiting our website. It becomes very important for us to analyze and get more information out of them about what kind of interest do they have, specific interest which they're looking at. So let's take an example to understand this. Let's say I'm into a business of selling shoes and I sell various kinds of shoes, which can be men's shoes, women's shoes, kids' shoes. I can have a particular, when a user visits my website, I can have a particular pop-up on the website for a few seconds. We just ask them a simple question around what are they looking for today. Now, in this case, and I give them three options, which can be men's shoes, women's shoes, and kids' shoes, they can select from. They can just click on that and give me that information and then move forward in the website and do their journey. So by using this particular activity or an event, I can then analyze what they prefer more often in terms of the products. And then I can, based on that insight, I can devise my marketing campaigns. So let's see this, guys, how you can create such customized events and use them to get some specific user details and then use it for your own business benefit. So you can easily create such events through the admin page. Once you come to admin over here, we can go to data display where we can go to audiences. So we want to create a new audience who is, let's say, interested more in men's shoes. So we are going to create a new audience, a custom audience, which we can call it, and we can name it in this specific way. These are audiences which likes men's shoes, and then the event which we have created, which we can add over here. So all the events which you have defined in your system on your website will be showing up out here. So now you can select from here the event. So you just need to go ahead and select the event. Let's say this is the event which we have selected, and you can save it. So now going forward, whenever the users come and they choose any of the options, let's say they click on men's shoes from the three options provided to them, that will trigger over here in the Google Analytics account as a separate audience category. So we will know how many users are there who are clicking on men's shoes and showing clear interest in that segment. So with that data, then in the future, we can build some marketing campaigns. Maybe we can run some email marketing campaigns, focusing those men's shoes and sending out those email marketing to our email marketing list. Or we can run some ads also on Google Meta, spending some extra budget on men's shoe products. I hope this makes sense. Now, I hope you understand how we can collect some important information from users based on various activities which we can make them do on the website, and then use it for generating more sales and revenue for our businesses. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next week.